Hi guys! Today we are going to talk about how to say thank you in Chinese. So easy, just repeat some 谢谢谢谢谢 Next, I'll give you a question for you. Please listen to them carefully. The first one, 谢谢谢谢 The second one, 谢谢谢谢 Which one you think is correct? The first one or second one? Yes, we should pay more attention. The first one is correct. The second character 谢 we should use the neutral tone. Speak shortly and softly, like this. 谢谢 But the first character 谢 use the original tone, first tone 谢 So connect them. 谢谢谢谢 Let's review them. 谢谢谢谢 Someone says 谢谢 to you, just reply 别客气别客气别客气谢谢别客气谢谢收看，再见。